going to mass today, and I don't trust myself on the subway, so I'm taking an Uber. Actually, Felicia doesn't trust me, so she ordered me an Uber. So here I go. Lobby. I'm doing good so far. I'm gonna try to get to the hotel on the subway by myself, so let's see if I do it or if I end up calling an Uber. I think I'm doing it. I'm not sure though. Update, I went on the right train, but I don't know how to get to the hotel from where I'm at, so let's see if I make it. I don't know where I am. Update, I was lost, but I was literally like one turn away from being right. And I found my way, so hooray for me. I'm freaking cold. I made it! Woo! 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 We're all packed up. It's a sad time.
I want to watch Harry Potter.
Harry Potter is right there.
I'm not ready to go.
It'll be on my TV when I get home.
I don't want to go.
I don't want to go either. I want to stay here. The airport. We're super tired.
I'm tired.
We're leaving now. We're boarding the plane.
I don't want to go back, YouTube.
I miss my dog.
I don't want to go back.
She loves New York. Guys, we landed. It's funny because they have a wheelchair for me. I don't know why, but they keep requesting. They like call my name and they're like, a wheelchair for Anna. And then like when I came out of the flight, the first thing I see is like a wheelchair with someone grabbing like my name on there. Basically, we were laughing because they had a wheelchair for me and I requested it somehow. I don't even know how. I do everything wrong, so yeah. I'm home. I'm unpacking and getting things ready to go to bed because I am super tired. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 10 p.m. but I'm tired. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you want to request anything, make sure to leave it down below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Okay, bye.